What if I told you that you don't need insecticides, synthetic fertilizers, or disease prevention sprays to achieve higher yields, better water infiltration, and a self-sustaining system? Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This isn't magic. It's real soil biology. And it all starts with understanding the fungi-to-bacteria ratio, FB ratio. Soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. And if we support it correctly, it will feed our plants, eliminate pests, and increase our profits year after year. Our goal here at Coffee and Soil is to help you understand this concept so you can work with nature, not against it, and grow a farm or landscape that thrives with less effort, less cost, and greater rewards. Let's dive in. The FB ratio is crucial for boosting soil fertility and crop yields naturally. This ratio tells us about the balance of these two crucial microbes in our soil. Achieving the right balance can make all the difference in the health of our soil and the abundance of our harvests. It's like a secret code that unlocks the true potential of our land. Let's get started on this journey to healthier soil and more bountiful harvests. At the heart of every thriving ecosystem is a delicate balance of soil microbes. Different plants thrive in different microbial communities, and knowing which balance to aim for is the game changer. Turfgrass, vegetables, and annual crops, like corn, prefer bacteria-dominant soil. Perennials, orchards, and forests require fungi-dominant soil. If we match the soil microbiology to the plant's needs, we create a system where plants can extract nutrients naturally. To build disease resistance, no chemicals are needed, increasing drought tolerance and reducing water needs. Healthy soil is like a well-balanced buffet. The right microbes ensure your plants have exactly what they need. Understanding the FB ratio is key to unlocking this potential. So, how do we build soil that supports the right FB ratio? It's easier than you think. Use low-growing cover crops. They naturally feed bacteria. Apply fungal food like mulch and compost to encourage fungal growth. Minimize soil disturbance to protect delicate microbial networks. Plant diverse roots to attract a variety of beneficial microbes. When we build soil structure correctly, fungi create aggregates that improve water infiltration. No more drought stress. They also store carbon in the soil, keeping nutrients available for longer. Plus, they prevent runoff and erosion, protecting your land long term. The best part? Nature does the hard work for you. When we let bacteria and fungi do their job, the results are game-changing. Lower input costs mean more money in your pocket. Stronger soil structure leads to year after year improvement. Naturally disease-resistant crops mean no more chemical sprays. A healthier environment results in less pollution and better ecosystems. Every year your soil improves, your plants thrive, and your profits compound. Isn't that what we're all after? Less work, less cost, more yield. So here's the question. Do you want to keep fighting against nature or start working with it? Our goal at Coffee and Soil is to help growers like you take control of your soil health. If you want to learn more about the FB ratio and how to grow your soil to feed your crop, just ask or email us. We'd love to help you grow your crop like you've never seen before. So, what are you waiting for? Feed the soil. It will feed your plants. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to transform your soil.